Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. A very simple curry, so I'm not going to add too much stuff in it, and the way I'm making so anybody and everybody can enjoy it. So I have 1 can of black beans and I drained the water out and then I washed it out. I usually don't use the liquid comes with the black beans because I find it very salty. So I have about 1/4 teaspoon olive oil, and to this one I am going to use little bit of cumin seed, very little. You can call it almost a pinch. And when you're cooking any kinds of beans, you must use asafoetida. This asafoetida is a must, any kind of beans, because this way you can ensure that you're not going to get any gas with the beans. So I just give few pumps, which is like almost like a pinch. I'm going to let it roast a little bit. Whenever you cook in cumin and asafoetida, if you roast a little bit, it gives a nice smell, aroma, and if it's burned, then it's going to definitely give a bad smell. So you just watch it to make sure it's not burned, but it's roasted. So I'm going to roast it for like a few seconds until it's a little bit of roasted. Get the aroma. Yes, I'm getting the aroma now. Now I'm going to add about 1 large tablespoon of onion. And you can add onion, ginger, garlic paste. I'm just adding onion paste. So this onion paste. So my onion is little bit roasted. I make sure that I roast the onion a little bit. And I'm going to add my black beans to it now. I'm going to roast this black beans a little bit before I add any spices. I'm not going to add too many spices, just a few. So as you can see, this has been cooking for 5 minutes. So I tried to mix this beans with the onion and cooked it for 5 minutes. And I'm going to add all the spices. I have here some cilantro leaves, some vegetable masala, garam masala, salt, and some turmeric. I'm going to add it all in. I'm going to mix it and add a cup of water. And this is the simplest, easiest way you make black beans. And I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes or so. So when you cut your cilantro leaves, make sure just take the leaves, don't take the twigs, because some people do not like eating those twigs. I'm going to put a little bit more water and let it cook. So now this is going to be cooking until all this water is gone, so that way it will be like fully cooked. I'm going to with medium heat and put a cover, and I'll let it cook and I'll show you once it's done. So this is very easy way to make black beans, the canned beans, and it's tasty, and you don't need to put so many things. You can just put little bit of sauteed onion, you can just put little bit of onion paste that you pre-make it, and then just add little bit of spices, salt, turmeric, and Garam Masala, some vegetable masala, and some cilantro leaves. Now if you love tomato, you can add it, but I don't like to add tomatoes to the beans because tomatoes always cause indigestion. So I just cook it like that, and I be sure to add some asafoetida and some cumin seed, and that's really good for digestion. So now I'll just wait for this to cook like 10-15 minutes until it's fully cooked. Then I'll give you a picture. So as you can see, this is all done and it has thickened up a lot. See? I'm going to pour it in a little bowl and give you a picture. So this is what it is. So this black beans, and it's really easy to make and very yummy, and goes great with your white rice or brown rice. So just make it and enjoy. These are simple vegetarian meals which will keep you healthy, happy, and full. You will feel truly full when you eat this kind of good food, healthy food. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you with many more. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.